I heard a story from one of your friends about the shoes that you're wearing, and I know that you designed those shoes.
I designed it, I made the sample, I stitched it myself.
You stitched them yourself. Wow.
And this is the another pair that I'm wearing today.
Right. So you have
I should have
multiple
cleaned
pairs.
it before coming here. I'm so sorry. You have to see this.
You have a crazy story of going from, a very different background and
Fashion
then
to
into marketing and then digital
yeah.
marketing, and now you're going to one of the best universities.
In the era of globalization, I should be more involved into this field because everything is digital now, and it really bothered me because after spending lakhs on my college, I'm starting from zero. I won't later get into studies again.
What if you wish to do an MBA?
I don't know, but now, just like I said, I want to stop being the
you are
explorer.
an explorer. The explorer will
no
wake
more
up
exploring.
Their lovely daughter is going to, go away.
They're not really sad about it, how I wanted them to be. If you're watching this video, please cry.
Make you feel loved.
It would.
Hi everyone, welcome to Study Abroad with Piyush. Today we have Aditi with us. She was an part of AdmitCard. She used to work with us. She was actually part of some of our advertisements and social media shoots. Today she's here as a celebrity. It's good to have you back in office after some time now, and very many congratulations for your admission in UCD Ireland.
Thank you.
We are really proud that you're going for your Masters in Digital Marketing. I think that's a fantastic opportunity. I heard a story from one of your friends about the shoes that you're wearing, and I know that you designed those shoes when you were at Footwear Design Program, and you stitched them yourself.
So I would like that. I was in an internship with AFPL. It's in Kanpur. So there I was working as a footwear design intern, and this company was Off the Hook shoes, and they asked us to prepare a design. It is in London only. So I gave them this design, I gave them the prototypes, and they really liked my shoes. I designed it, I made the sample, I stitched it myself.
Wow.
And this is the another pair that I'm wearing today.
Right. So you have
I should have cleaned it before coming here. I'm so sorry. You have to see this.
See, I think it's important that when you are able to think of something, bring it to a certain design and on paper, and then be able to actually productize it. I think having that journey is really phenomenal. Practically being able to do what you learn in your textbook, that's a big strength for you. You are really good at digital marketing, so I'm sure it will really help you in building your career further. And we just thought that we'll want to learn from you a little bit about your experience, Ireland, digital marketing. You have a crazy story of going from a very different background and
Fashion
then into marketing and then digital marketing, and now you're going to one of the best universities. How did you make that opportunity for yourself?
I think this is not the first time that I'm exploring something new. I have always been an explorer. I had PCM in my 12th.
Right.
Everybody thought I would be going for engineering, and then later I shocked everybody out. I went into a fashion college.
Did you prepare for IIT-JEE? Were you also going for?
I did. I went into VMC.
Oh God! I'm also from VMC.
You were successful, but
a long time back. Yeah, definitely.
That part scared the shit out of me. I was really scared. I couldn't handle it well. But then fashion was something I thought I would do. I would love it. I went into a fashion college. I explored all these subjects. But out of all these subjects, I had this marketing research and marketing core as different subjects. I wanted to explore them more. I did my specialization in marketing only. I thought this particular field of fashion brought interest into me, and all my internships, even in fashion, I did in this part only, merchandising and marketing.
Really? Okay.
But later I got interest into digital marketing. I thought in the era of globalization, I should be more involved into this field because everything is digital now, and I have to bring my focus here because this is the future and this is the present as well.
Right.
I developed interest here, and so for that I left all my jobs and I started with internships. So it was a really breakthrough point because I had to leave my job. I started from an unpaid internship. So I did that. It really bothered me because after spending lakhs on my college, I'm starting from zero. So I learned different softwares, finally found a paid internship, then a job, and here I am now.
No, fantastic. So I think it's such a beautiful journey, that you had mathematics and analytical foundation in your, plus 12. And from there, you went into a very creative field.
Yeah.
where you started to learn about marketing, and you are now looking to combine the two skills to have a more analytical and data-driven approach in digital marketing. I think that's the explorer journey, right? You keep learning everything every day for something new, and then you are a sum of all your experiences. So
I think it is only going to give perks to me because the creative side that I have explored of mine, along with the analytics part, is what is required in digital marketing.
Absolutely.
So
why did you pick Ireland?
I chose Ireland because of the work opportunities. There are many big names that we have in Ireland. So it is less popular, but a really interesting place. And also, I have my big reason. My sister is living in Dublin.
घर का खाना मिलेगा आपको Dublin में.
बिल्कुल.
Yes.
So I have everything sorted there already. So
No, I think, of course, I see that in a lot of students, that's a very important decision for where to go, because if you have some family, not just support in living, which could be accommodation that you can share, and a lot of amenities, right, and a support of access to network is also becomes a big thing, that your sister can help you open a lot of network in that country. आपको zero से नहीं start करना. How are you financing your education?
My father and my sister both are the sponsors.
Great.
Financial
You are being a good kid, your parents are supporting you.
But I do have to pay them back. This is not, I'm not really going to take it away from them. Is there hard
of
earn
course.
money? I have to pay for my masters. People who take loan and all that, they are really into that stress. I think I am blessed. I did not have to go through it.
What is it that you wish to achieve after your degree, and what is it that you want to do after you complete your masters in digital marketing?
First things first, I want to stop being the explorer now. This is the final thing that I want to do. Now I want to settle there and do digital marketing only. And now I have to find a job in this domain. The masters that I did, I want to find a job relevant to that and do what I really like to do right now.
So your main goal would be to get a job and get some experience. Of course, Ireland gives you that opportunity, 2 years of work permit.
I really don't have that much of experience from here. So I think that 2 years of post-study work visa is going to add a lot of importance into my life, because after that, to sustain myself there, I have to earn around 44,000 euros to be able to live there. I think 2 years of post-study work visa would be giving me enough experience to finally get into that position.
We know that you're very enterprising. You will make the best use of it. And for the short time that we worked together, you made a lot of positive impact. We're very confident in you. But what I understand from you is, if you had a choice, you would have probably gained more experience before going to Ireland.
I think this is the only part that is scaring me. Everybody who lives outside suggests that you should get 2 years of experience before finally going for your masters. There was a time period when I was blank. I had no job. I was applying for a lot of jobs every day. I would wake up and then scroll LinkedIn, find jobs. That is how my days went. And I really got frustrated. Do I not have enough knowledge, or what is it because of my background? I couldn't really know, because people don't tell you the reasons of rejecting you in the interviews and everything. So I thought this is where I lacked, because I don't have professional background here. That is when I explored opportunities, explored colleges, and finally thought that I need to get a master's, and then finally I would be getting a job. This is how I did.
No, I think, of course, masters will definitely help. As a career coach, I would suggest that, get the maximum exposure even while you are studying. One of the biggest helps that you will have is networking. Already you are connected with your classmates who are going to UCD, and you have your sister in Ireland. Don't wait for even, going there, because that is one thing, because your course is short. It's less than a year course. So by the time you go and you finish, you would not even know, and your time for your work permit will start. I think that ability to network well and in advance is something that will really help you out.
Also, I would like to add, this is my opinion only, not everybody's, but I'd say I wanted to complete my studies before I turned 25. So I think it is best for me to wind it all up with my masters and everything. And then finally, I would start with the job and then be a working professional only. I won't later get into studies again.
What if you wish to do an MBA?
I don't know for now. Just like I said, I want to stop being the explorer.
You are an explorer. The explorer will
no
wake
more
up
exploring.
No, but I think let the time take its course. You will
Yeah.
find what's your true calling. The more you'll work, the more you will learn more about yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, and then whatever it takes to become stronger at what you're good at.
I said I have no regrets of doing whatever exploring I've done, but I'm liking how it takes me through.
How are your parents feeling that their lovely daughter is going to go away?
They're not really sad about it how I wanted them to be. I really want them to be sad about it. I want to see them sad ki she's leaving and
So
how
now they're
are
gonna
we
watch
going to
this video.
survive
They're
it?
like that. Yeah, did you
How
want
are
to see
we
them?
going to survive the void? But no, they're happy about it.
Right.
She's finally going and she'll do good for herself. But this was the part that I wanted to see in them.
Don't worry. When
If you're
they drop
watching
you
it,
at the
please-
airport, you'll see the tears.
If you're watching this video, please cry. A little bit of crying would help me.
Will make you feel loved.
It would.
We will all miss you here at our office, and we wish you all the very best in
Thank
your future in Ireland, and any support and help that we can be of. Happy to support you in your journey. So thank you so much, Aditi, for coming in today and sharing your thoughts about and your plans for studying in Ireland.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.